Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get apps on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search button from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, enter the name of the app you want to download in the search bar at the top. Once you have typed it in, tap the search button on your keyboard. When the search results appear, find the app you want and tap on it to open its details page. On the app's details page, you will see a button that says Get. Tap on it to start the downloading process. Finally, you will be asked to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to confirm the download. Use either your Face ID or enter your Apple ID password and sign in. Once you have done this, the app will start downloading to your iPhone. And this is how you can get apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.